Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Google account linked to Google Pay. This is crucial because name and email changes depend on account settings. Open the Google Pay app and sign in if you aren't already signed in. Next, check the email shown in settings to see if you need to switch accounts. If you must change the name, make sure you have a government ID or acceptable documentation ready. Once done, navigate directly to Account or Profile in the app to start edits. You now update the name by opening Google Account Personal Info and editing the name field. This changes your Google profile and propagates to Google Pay. If you need a different email, you cannot change a primary Gmail. Instead, add an alternate email or create a new Google account and transfer payment methods. After making changes, make sure to force sync by signing out and back into Google Pay or Clear Cache. This ensures the app reflects updated profile information. Finish by reviewing your Google Pay profile to confirm the new name and email are displayed. If you move to a new Google account, re-add cards and bank connections. If Google requests identity verification, upload clear scans of your ID and follow instructions. Delays can occur while documents are reviewed. If changes don't appear, try clearing app data, reinstalling Google Pay, or contacting Google support for account-specific issues. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.